I already recorded this once, so welcome to the channel. If you haven't already, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and we're gonna go ahead and autocross. I did a whole talking thing, and it doesn't matter, so we're just gonna skip that.
No battery sign on it. 30.076 with that +1 makes that time a total of 32.76. Runs in the left lane, so plenty more chances to improve on that time. And general consensus says that the left lane is quite a bit faster than the right, so use these passes in the right lane to get familiar with the course, get some heat in the tires, the brakes, all that good stuff, and then transition over to that left lane and make your hot laps. Chris, Danny finishes with a 30.
I will not be accelerating like Nick did.
That was sick. Does it really bog down that much in second that you gotta go back down?
Yeah, it
I really don't want to have to shift. That took some effort.
well, I didn't know where to shift, and I was like, oh, I'm stuck in first. And then I was like, well, maybe I'll shift out. And this thing does drop out of boost. Just with the gearing, it drops out of boost kind of quick.
Yeah.
So thank you, sir. So we got a 39.1.
Oh.
So the goal is to do better next time. I want to do, like, my thought process is if I can get a 2 second faster, then I'll be better. Plus the first run's always kind of like like a feeler run. I want to have a 39.
Yeah, that's better than I probably ever get. I probably run fast.
I'll do a 39 so that the thing knows.
Silly would be the next car to finish in his 05 Subaru Outback. He resets his fastest time with a 35.585 and improves to 6th in Modified. Car number 1 in Super Street Modified.
excited about.
100%. Much better.
Thank you, sir. $37,800. $37,800. So now we just need to pick up. I think I see a couple areas where I could pick up a little bit more too. All right, so we need to beat what, a 37.8 is what it was?
What was it, 37.6?
Thank you, sir. 37.3. I need to find my spots where I can go up a gear and not just be redlined. I know. But I feel like it helps because there's some spots where I just need to be able to carry a little bit more speed, I think.
Yeah.
But also, I don't know if I can carry more speed with these tires.
Yeah, you're about maxed out.
You guys got that tape?
Yeah, I gave it back to one of the other guys.
Okay, you gave it back. Good
Yeah.
deal. Thanks, sir.
Thank you. Let's put this here, I guess. It keeps coming off my sweatshirt. Maybe that'll be better. Oh, we got a little bit of smoke. It's been doing this thing where it smokes at idle for a little while. I don't know if it's maybe valve seals. I mean, would make sense, but we'll see. I hate it though. I hate the smoking. Thank you. All right. Let's see if maybe we can, I don't know. I don't know the best route right now because I'm not the smartest. I'm not a race car driver yet. Trying. Oh, we're staged. 4, 3, I feel like that went a little quicker. I don't know. We'll see. Super excited. Thank you, sir. Holy crap. A 36.4. We did it. I got 2 more runs. Can I get to a 35? That's what we're gonna hope for. That's our new goal that we're making right now. I would like to get to a 35. We made it. We made it to a 36.4. That's pretty exciting. I'm excited about that. We were pushing it that time. The shift into second in the first section did help. So. Oh, this is the last run. All right, we got to try to get that 35.9 now. We don't have time to wait for anything else. 35.9 now or bust. All right, last run. We gotta try to hit our 35.9 now. 35.9. Hopefully we don't mess up because we're trying real hard. Because we are gonna be trying real hard. All right. How are the cards, Yugi? I think they're scanning me to see if if they ever need somebody to race or like drive the president in like a scenario to see if I'm fast enough for that. That's what the scan is for. It's just to make sure I'm in a database or like this guy knows how to wield a car. That's probably it for sure. I messed it up. Let's see. I think I messed it up because I got greedy and tried to go to second. I tried to go to second in the before the slalom, and I think I goofed it, but we will find out. Let's check in with Larry right here, StarQuest Larry. Thank you, good buddy. All right, so we improved. We did improve. We did not hit that 35.9 that we were hoping for, but we did improve, boys and girls. Uh-oh, did this camera turn off? Uh-oh, hold on. Hopefully that was recording that whole time. If not, whatever. Hopefully, but we did improve. 36 to 32. So we are looking much better. We did good. We improved every single run, and that was my goal. While I'm learning and while I'm doing this, you know, for fun. If I ever get competitive, cool, whatever. I don't plan on it. But for now, we did improve every single run, which was the important part. That is what I was really hoping for. that is my goal when I come out to these things, is to get better and better. And look, there's the family. But yeah, that's the goal, to get better and better and better each time. We went from a 39 all the way down to a 36, like a high 39 all the way down to a 36, like a low 36 too. So that was pretty cool. Let's go ahead and back our car in here. All right, so it is Saturday night. We have autocross in the morning, so we had to be up early for that. I was editing the video for Sunday and realized I didn't have anything to end it with. So just want to end it with this. I do appreciate you guys for tuning in and watching the videos, all 13 of you. You're great. It really helps keep me motivated and excited to make content. Next week you should have another autocross video, and then we will also be cleaning up the garage, getting the garage up to snuff, and then also finishing the taillights and the Datsun. That's my goals for next week. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in. You guys have a great day. You know the deal. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we will catch you next time. Have fun. Bye.